knows. You just point it out there. Riding by Havana right now. Havana, Cuba. If you look in the distance, you can see a city. That's all Cuba. It's actually pretty big. That's the city. And if you look down there on the horizon, it's mountains. It's hard to see because it's a little foggy. But you could definitely see that this is a city. Okay, that's it. We just took a nap. Now we're going in and we're going to go watch Zootopia at the movie theater. Then we're going to dinner. And we're going to the movies tonight too. All right, bye.